Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beef oil. Begin by trimming and cutting the fat into small, uniform pieces to help it render evenly. Use a heavy pot and low heat to slowly melt the fat without browning. Stir occasionally and monitor closely to prevent scorching. Keep a clean jar ready for straining and cooling once the liquid is clear. Use a slow, controlled method that protects flavor and yields clear beef oil. Place chopped fat in a heavy pot, add a splash of water if desired, and simmer on the lowest heat. Let the fat melt gently over several hours, stirring occasionally and skimming foam or solids. When pieces are golden and liquid is clear, remove from heat and cool slightly before straining through a fine mesh. Straining and storing correctly keeps your beef oil fresh and usable. While warm, pour the rendered liquid through a fine mesh or double layer of cheesecloth into a heatproof container. Let it cool to room temperature uncovered until it solidifies slightly, then seal and refrigerate. Label with the date and use within a few weeks for best flavor, or freeze in small portions for longer-term storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.